Wide drone shot. Sunrise over a massive orange plantation. Endless rows of green trees.
Snap. The fruit detaches cleanly from the branch.
All right, easy back. Bring that step 2 pallet straight to the staging area. Watch the clearance on your left.
Close up, the raw oranges are still dirty with leaves and twigs mixed in. They move towards the cleaning station. Machine view the oranges passing over a roller bed with gaps. The leaves and sticks fall through the gaps, but the fruit stays on top. Machine view. The wet oranges rolling over soft yellow sponge rollers. The sponges squeeze out the water to dry them.
Physics shot. High-velocity air jets blowing the final water droplets off the orange skin. The skin is now perfectly dry.
Mist shot. A very fine mist of food-grade wax being sprayed onto the dry oranges to preserve freshness. High-tech shot. The good oranges entering single-file lanes to go under the computer scanner.
Macro shot. A camera lens flashing rapidly as each orange passes underneath. It scans for size and color.
Machine view. The conveyor belt has gaps. Small oranges fall through the first gap into a collection lane. Step 6, storage before squeezing.
Action shot. Gentle water sprinklers wetting the dirty oranges as they enter the washing tunnel. The dust turns to mud. A mechanical wheel arranging the rolling oranges into a perfect single-file line again.
Action shot. The soapy oranges passing under a curtain of high-pressure fresh water jets. The foam is blasted away instantly.
Atmosphere, visualizing sound. The air is vibrating with the rhythmic mechanical thump 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 of the juicers working in sync. Machine detail. Automatic pneumatic valves opening with a hiss. Steam rushes in to heat the orange juice rapidly to kill bacteria. Machine view. The hot orange juice immediately flowing into the cooling section. Condensation forms on the outside of the cold pipes.